Hello, I'm Andy, and today I want to quickly go over blushing in your paint finish, what it is, why it happens, how to repair it, and prevention. Blushing in your paint finish is when a milky grey cloud appears on the surface of the paint film, almost immediately or shortly after the paint has been applied on the substrate. This can be caused by spraying the paint during humid conditions. This is because air from the spray gun and solvent evaporation will lower the substrate temperature below the dew point, and this will cause moisture in the air to condense in or on the paint film. Blushing can also be aggravated when the paint dries too quickly or an unbalanced thinner or reducer is used. If the blushing is occurring during the application, you should apply heat to the affected area or add retarder thinners and apply additional coats. If, however, the finish has already dried, small amounts of blushing can be corrected by compounding or polishing. However, severe blushing will require sanding down and refinishing. To prevent blushing, always use good quality solvent and thin the material according to the manufacturer's data sheet or recommendation. You should always use the proper thinner or reducer for spray conditions and add the recommended amount of retarder thinners when spraying in humid conditions. An additional measure to prevent blushing would be to apply heat after the application to evaporate any moisture in the coating. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our Total Paint Shop support team. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any new videos.